Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let's get started on our number corner for today. All right, today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Let's see what we have today. We have a quadrilateral. Here is my quadrilateral. Let's see if this quadrilateral here will fold into halves, fourths, or nothing. Here we go. Let's see. If I fold it in half, we have a thing sticking out. But if I fold it, maybe if I fold it this way? Nope. So this one doesn't fold at all. Let's add that to our chart. So we have a quadrilateral. And we know that this quadrilateral does not fold into anything, unfortunately. So that means it is not symmetrical. Let's check out our other ones. So we're going to do two more. Since there is no school tomorrow, we will not be having any assignments, but we will do this one today. We'll do Fridays today. So tomorrow will be Friday, April 10th, excuse me, 2020. Let's check what it is. We have a decagon. And I have it right here. It's also, looks like the letter H. So let's see if this one is going to be symmetrical. If I fold it, it is symmetrical. So that's one way. I wonder if we folded it this way, if it would be symmetrical too. Oops, it's a little bit harder. It is though. Look at that. So it's symmetrical this way. If we have it like that, we can also fold it in half like that. So this is symmetrical. Awesome. Let's add it to our chart. So on Friday the 10th, we have a dodecagon. And it is symmetrical at least in fourths. It possibly could be more. And yes, it is symmetrical. All right, one more to do for Saturday. All right, so we're going to do Saturdays today. And then on Monday, we'll do Sundays and Mondays. So let's check out what Saturday will be. Oh, wonderful. Saturday is going to be a pentagon because it has 5 sides. And here's my pentagon right here. As you can see, Saturday will be April 11th. All right, what are your predictions? Do you think it's going to be symmetrical? Let's see. If I fold it this way, is it symmetrical? Nope. But let's try this way. Is it symmetrical? It is. Folds perfectly right down the middle. Awesome. Let's add that. All right, like we discovered, it is a pentagon. It goes exactly in 2. Oops. I just made that little. There we go. And yes, it is symmetrical. Let's find out how many days in school today. All right, so yesterday we had 137 days in school. Right down here we had 137. I'm going to erase this so we can do our next one. So if yesterday was 137, we can add one more and kind of think about what we think it's going to be. But let's count by tens today. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, stop, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. So today is 138 days in school. Written form, 138 days. Oops. How many hundreds, tens, and ones? How many hundreds are in 138? There is 100 plus how many tens? There are 3 tens because 3 tens equal 30. And how many ones? there are 8 ones, and that equals 138. Expanded form. Let's find out what that would be. Remember, we can use our hundreds, tens, and ones to help us figure out the expanded form. How many hundreds are there? There is 100 plus how many tens? There is 3. 3 tens, and instead of doing 10 plus 10 plus 10, we're going to do 30 because we know that 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. And how many ones? 8. We can see right here also that there is 8 ones, and that equals 138. All right, so here we are at our popsicles, popsicle stick data collections. We have 12 so far. And when I look at our classwork, I notice that everyone had 12 who commented. So nice job, Noah and Cooper, Hannah, Sawyer, Elizabeth, Austin, McGuire, and AJ. Awesome job. I also noticed some friends told me how they got it, which was part of the question. So perfect job. All of you did amazing. But nice job, Austin, for telling me, and AJ for telling me, and then McGuire told me as well. So nice job, friends. You guys did great. All right, let's spin to see what we can get today. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we added 4 more to our collection. Let's add 4 more to our tallies. We'll use, I think, maybe red today. There we go. 1, 2. Remember, I have to cross it for 5. 3, 4. So how many do I have now? Let's count. We know this is 5, and this is 5, and this is 5, and this is 1. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 16. So we have 16. Not much we can do with these right now because they're not quite in tens yet. But we have 16. We will do, how about yellow for this week? Is that hard to see? That is a little bit hard to see. Let's fix that. We'll do orange. That's better. We'll do orange. So this was week 2. And we have orange. So we have 16 in week 2. Great job. So the question for today that's going to be in the comments is going to be, how many more did we have today than week 1? So we have 16 this week, and we have 14 last week. How many more do we have this week than last week? That is going to be the question that you're going to answer. All right, let's talk about homework for today. Today is Thursday, April 9th. 20 minutes of reading on your own, 15 minutes with a partner. Remember, you can use Epic. I can see all of the books that you read, and I see a ton of books being read. Fantastic job to all of my friends. And if you're not reading on Epic, I know you're reading books at home, and I know you're doing a fantastic job. Remember to create your own character. I love seeing your characters. Absolutely love seeing them. I am so excited to get them all together so I can read all of them. I've noticed some parents have been in on them too, which is so fun. I love it. I'll have to share those too. Today, skip count by 10, starting at 4 and 6. So that means counting by 10s from 4. So 4, 14, 24, 34, and so on. And then doing the same with 6. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, and so on. Record yourself and send it to me. Here we are watching Number Corner and Quaver's music, optional, but if you would like to do it, feel free, or sing your favorite song. Remember that there are, that link that I sent, I believe I sent it on Facebook, and I put it on the stream of Google Classroom from Mr. King, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Miss Mortimer. Have all of their activities linked on there. If you need that link, please check the Facebook page, and if you don't have access to that, please contact me and I will send it to you. So boys and girls, have a wonderful Thursday. Remember, no school tomorrow, so there's no homework. And have a great 3-day weekend. Remember to get active. It's going to be beautiful out today. Have a wonderful Thursday and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.